guys, you have reached at is Regina TV, and guys, let me tell you, follow your first mind.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite bit.
All right, guys, I was in the store the other day because I'm trying to redecorate my home, and I really know what my decorating style is for my front room. But I didn't want to go changing, big furniture and buying big furniture and everything. I really redecorated by using accents. I went to the store. I saw a beautiful table and like an entryway table. Some told me not to get it. I didn't get it, but I kept going back to the store to see if it was still there because I really wanted it, but I wanted to be a minimalist still. So one day I went to the store and the table wasn't there, and I beat myself up so bad. So I said, next time I see that table, I'm getting it, I'm getting it, I'm getting it. Then I went into the store a couple of more different times and I saw the table. But guess what, guys? It was damaged too. The table was damaged. So I said, I can't take a chance on leaving it. Let me show you the damage on it. All right, guys, here's the damage on one leg of the table. Okay, that's the damage there. Let me see if I can get you closer. When you see that, it's a gash out. And here's some more damage on this table leg. So those are two spots that had the damage on it. Guys, I did not care because I know me. Now, because it had damage on it, I asked them, can I have, a percentage off? And they gave me the best percentage off on this table because this table was really expensive. So guys, I got it for really cheap. So because I have, the damage in it right here and on the other leg, let me show you what I got. Okay, so because it has damage on it, I went and got, some wood fillers. To tell you the truth, I already had these at the house for like projects. So I am going to put these two on there and fill up the space, and then I'm just going to shave it. I'm just going to, sand it down. So I won't get it everywhere. I'm just going to tape it off. Let me see if I can get y'all closer. So I'm just going to tape it off with some masking tape. I have other ways that I can cover it, but I want to see if I can get this done like this. I am so glad that I did not buy it when I seen it. Something compelled me. Some said, don't buy it, don't buy it. Even though I liked it when I saw it, something just said, don't buy it. So I went on and followed my first mind, because I tell you guys, when you hear that little voice, if it ain't hurting nobody else, you better listen to it. So, like I said, I followed my first mind, didn't buy it, and ended up getting it for such a discount. I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself about it, because I listened. And it paid off. Okay, so it's taped off. See if I can get y'all closer. Let me see. Can y'all see that? It's taped off. And like I said, I ain't no expert, but I'm going to get this stuff in here. Hopefully it come out. I'm going to use the brown. See? And I'm not going to do it all in one setting. What I'm probably going to do is put this in here, mold it to how I want it to be with a scraper. Okay? And then I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to come back and fill it in some more. Guys, while we're doing this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and the notification button, because I have a lot of more content that I have to show you guys. That's really what I've been doing. I've been doing so much, and I have so much to show you guys. Okay, so this right here is fine. This is fine, how I got it in here now. So I'm going to let that dry. I don't know how long it's going to take for it to dry, but I'm going to let that dry. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. All right, I'm going to let that dry. All right, guys, it's been like over 2 hours, and it's still like sort of soft. So I think I'm going to build it back up with a little bit more. This wood filler come in all different colors. So you'll be able to get one in your color. You can get this from anywhere, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's. So I'm just going to smooth that out. And I'm going to leave it probably for another 2 hours. Second coat. Right, everybody, this is the following day. I came down here and I put a little bit of wood filler just on this side right here. Just on this side. And it's almost dry. But let's see. This side over here, let me show you. This side over here did real good. And as you see, when you wipe it, the only thing you have to do is sand it if you need to and wipe it. And like I said, with the things that I have here, I have a variety of different markers and wood fillers and pens and things like that to make it match even better. Or I can go over it with a stain. But I have a variety of things that I can use to make this blend. But like I said, my main thing was to just fill it in. So I like the way it turned out. I really do. I like the way it turned out. And I'm just waiting for the other side to dry. So let's take the tape off. Like I was telling you guys, I really like how everything is turning out with this. And only thing you have to do, take a little sanding paper and sand it down, and it will sand easy. It will sand easy. And let's just take the tape off. This was a wonderful find. There was no way that I was going to leave this table, especially with the discount that I got. I came home, got a little wood filler, just filled it in. Just filled it in. Okay. Let's see. Tape. Okay. I don't need to sand it anymore. Wipe it off. I have some varnish spray outside if I want to, do some varnish spray on it. And like I said, I have a variety of different pens and wood kits to make this really match up perfectly. I'm going to get ready to turn it right side up. So All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. The table is done. I got it for a really big discount. I'm glad I followed my mind and did not buy it when I first saw it. You can't even tell that I have fixed the legs or anything like that, so that was a good idea. And yeah, I love it. Well, guys, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for spending this time with me. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. I have a lot of content to show you guys, so you don't want to miss it. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess.